Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ROKU, Roku. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute and you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the orange and red and green lines are coming from. And, not to pat myself on the back, but the power of charts. You got to learn technical analysis. I'm not saying it in the sense of, hey, charts are perfect. It's a perfect tool. Nothing is perfect, but it's definitely a worthwhile tool, and I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from October 30th. I talked about how it was looking like the price was probably going to need more of a pullback here, and that's exactly what happened. I mean, the price out of the gates, little temporary move upwards, but had a very big pullback. And then the even more powerful thing is, made the comment about it's looking like 144 could very well, be in play, and that's a very important level of support. And surprise, surprise, look right where the price happened to bounce off from. Again, not patting myself on the back. This is something that anybody can learn how to do, but the charting really is a tool that you should use. And if this can offer up even just a little motivation to, for you to want to go out there and learn a little bit more about it, awesome. But so from a trading perspective, definitely a nice opportunity there from 144 up to, that area of the chart. Got a multi-dollar movement there. But now taking a step kind of and setting aside the trading perspective and just looking at the chart overall from a story perspective, the key level of support definitely going forward remains right there at the 144 mark. If 144 though is tested again and violated, this is where things get a little bit shaky because the next level of support, and I'm not saying that the price is dropping straight down to 136, but technically speaking, that is where that next overall level of support is, and that's the catch-22. When you have monster moves like this, it does tend to create spaces between areas of support, and that's what you have right there. So again, not saying that the price even tested 144, but if it were to go down there and then violate it, it wouldn't be totally shocking to see the price, drift downwards to the 136 mark, not necessarily just on Friday. It may take, several days, but, that from a technical point of view, those would be the levels of support to watch. Resistance-wise, nothing here has changed other than, actually, let me extend this line out. We'll continue to watch this trend line here as the key level of resistance. So near-term resistance remains that trend line there. And then as I've talked about in past videos, if the price can get that trend line, you still have that next overall level up there right around 153. So all in all, the big picture chart still totally fine. Got the pullback as the chart was suggesting and might need a little bit more of a pullback, but we'll see what happens with it. But I know I'll be keeping an eye on it on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.